So another way to break up some patterns is to do different types of breathing. So another type of breathing is called cold breathing. So you take your hands, put them on your belly. Yep, we're back to the belly. Take your tongue, put it behind the back of your bottom teeth like this. So we're going to do what's called the Princess Bride test. So your tongue goes behind the back of your bottom teeth. So everybody say it there. Repeat after me. Love, true love is a magical experience. Everyone say Lady Princess Buttercup and say marriage. Okay, perfect. So when you have your tongue on the back of your bottom teeth, breathe in with your mouth like this. And then keep your tongue behind the back of your bottom teeth and breathe out with your mouth. One more time, breathe in, tongue behind the back of your bottom teeth. And then breathe out with your mouth. What do you feel when you breathe that in? You feel cold air. So you're actually tricking your body into cooling itself down. Does that make sense?
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.